Hey guys, it is Greg again. Had a user, Detroit Dan, wanted to get a couple coins done, and I'm always looking for other coins. So if you guys have any other coins you want me to check out, I will, because it's always good to do that. Because at times you might find a coin like ApeCoin that does nice moves to the upside, and you can make money in a bear market, which can be difficult to do, as most of you probably already know on coins. So this is the coin VRA, Verasity. I think that, let me check to make sure I have all of the data. I think that I do on the Coin Trader Pro. Usually this will show me all the data. VRA, USD, let's check it out. Let's go out to the weekly. That says April 2019. So I'm missing data. So I'm gonna have to do it on this chart. Okay, so just taking a look at VRA here right now. Look at all that volume right there. You see that? Very suspicious move right there. Very suspicious move. Exit liquidity or something for some guys, maybe. Just going over all that, looks like a consolidation in this area for VRA. So look, this thing's at 0.0005 cents. I don't even know what that would be. Some 5/10,000ths of a percent down here. And it looks like it made a wave 1 here, and then a massive wave 3 up, and then up into a wave 5. So the area that I would be concerned to make sure that this is not part of a correction. Most likely it's not. So something like this, up for a massive 3 and then a 5. One of the things that I want to mention to you guys, you want to be careful of in the crypto market. I call it the musical chairs type deal with cryptocurrency market, and you want to be careful of that. That's why I think it's actually even more important to pay attention to the charts, because like I'm sure there's probably VRA maxis that purchased the coin in this area, and they're all the way up here now, guys. So of course they're going to say their coin is the greatest because they dumped money here and then they went up on this move. Okay, but my point is, at some point that like this coin will be making another nice move at some point. But the fact of the matter is that you want to look for the coins that are like in this area, not necessarily in this area, because you might have to wait. You might have to wait for a long time. So you can see from, let's say you bought this dip May of 2019, and it goes through all this movement to March of 2020, almost a year. And then you get this area and this area. So that's why I always recommend finding second waves and then riding the third wave up, because there's better use of your capital in this move, okay, than it is sitting around taking your capital and having it in this area, okay? So it's hard to do, especially if you don't know Elliott waves, to hit these second waves and ride it up on a third wave and maybe even a fifth wave. But you can see if you put your capital in here, you would have to wait a year and then even more to get on that third wave. So it wouldn't be a good use of your time and capital, where you could abandon another asset that was on a wave 1 and maybe coming down for a wave 2 and then popping up for a wave 3, and then you could go find another one. So we want to be careful of the musical chairs in crypto, because there's going to be, people that are here that bought it over here saying this is the greatest thing since sliced bread because they made a lot of money in VRA. Okay. I'm sure some of you already know that. I'm just giving you a heads up. That's kind of what goes on. I call it the crypto musical chairs game. And you want to get to the charts and go, okay, where's the wave 1 and 2? Oh, there we go. Perfect. And in this instance, you can see on this wave that it did. Let me take a fib retracement on that wave. You can see, 786. It hit it perfect. 786 on that move. So would have been a good area to get into on that coin, in my opinion. So right in that area. But so that's a nice wave 1 right there. And then it went up for a wave 3. I'm going to say more than likely this is probably a wave 5, just looking at it. It completed the sequence. It does look 3-wave-ish though. That's questionable. Questionable 3, 4, 5 for wave 3, correction. And then up for 3. Yeah, this is not a wave 5, guys. This is not a wave 5. You have to get, let's see here, 3, 4, 5, and then down, and then this is like an ABC correction. So it's still in wave 4. Still in wave 4. And let's see here. Let's go with some time. So this wave 2 was 81 days. And this wave 4 so far is over a year. This is not making sense on this coin, where it's doing a massive wave 4 and then a really short wave 2. The only thing I could suggest is that maybe this is a wave 1 here, and like this, where it had a massive, wave 2 type correction to be equal with this correction, like this. Even still, it would be 142 days, 185 days. So that's like 5, that's a year and a half. And then this correction here, and it'll probably be out to there. So yeah, it's probably something more along those lines like that, guys. And over here, like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a truncated 5th wave. It's coming over here. And some sort of 2nd wave, deep correction over here like this. Up for a 3rd. And then it's coming in for its 4th. Something like that. Because those waves, you want those waves to be kind of, at this scale, you want those waves to be kind of the same. And, not some sort of short wave. Where was the other? Like right here, a wave 1, 2. So it's something like that, maybe even up there, where that could be some sort of 5th wave like that. I think that's a little bit higher. Yeah, it could be something like that, or maybe even, it started over here like that, and then a wave 2 correction. Let's take a look at these fib levels. Yeah, that'll work. That'll work. Let's see, and then that. So this came down, looks like into an ABC wave. So yeah, so a 3 wave here. And then a 3 wave move up. And it looks like just all that volume here. You got selling volume. Let's see here. Let's see what's going on with this coin. Okay, A, B, C. This is A, B, C right here. A, B, C right there. 3 wave, 3 wave. So somewhere in this area. Yeah, so like A, B, C. So I'd say something like this. A, B, and then 1, 2, like a diagonal type move, possibly like that. 1, 2, 3, yeah, 4, 5. So like a diagonal move in that C, aggressive down, and then a bump up. So you can see with this wave, you have W, X, Y. So I'd say that's the move right there. This is a tricky little coin here, guys. Came up almost as high. So this Y wave isn't done. That's the issue. So the Y wave is not done. Okay. So let me go back. What was it? A, B, and then a C. And then that would be, yeah, this is suspicious volume. A lot of people got out. W, X, Y. And let me break that down. Let's see what's going on in there. Go back to the daily. It should be on there. Is it not on there? All right, whatever. Let's go here. So it's why is that not on there? It's these WX. Style, coordinates, visibility. It's on 12 hours. This one's oh, there we go. I guess it just wasn't populating yet. So came up on a 3-wave. 1, 2, 3, probably some sort of 3-wave move up. And it looks like you have a 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's completing a 5. Something like that. I'm just going over this quickly, guys, so it's not gonna, there's could be mistakes. I have to investigate a little bit more. So this will be your A, up for your B, and then down for the C. Looks like it might make a nice zigzag. So with that, if it's a nice zigzag, you're looking at completes it right there. Depending on where the B goes, you could be looking at something like that. So let me put that back. So with that coin, so something like that, and the C waves can get aggressive. You want to be careful. They can go down like that, 1-to-1, 1.618 would be this initial area. Where is it? Rectangle, somewhere in this area like that. I don't use this Coin Trader Pro too much. Let me see here, style, background, a little bit like that. Yeah, something like that. There we go. All right, so Verasity or VRA is likely to have like a bounce instead of 5. 5, if it's a 5, it's always started something that went down deep for a 3rd wave, and it's likely to have a little bit of a bounce to swing back down into the box. That doesn't mean the correction is going to be over, because more than likely with VRA, you're going to have a swing like this. There'll be a W, another bounce, and then swing back down to here. Like that is what I would suspect on this coin. So let's go out to the daily, and then so another target area in that area, somewhere around here. Those are hard targets to get on these WXY waves. I'm just making an estimated guess now, guys, but where's the here's the W. Something like what? That's a 1-to-1, 786. So, it's going to be hard to say here, but I would say maybe more along the lines like that. Maybe not that deep. Okay. Lots of activity going on in this area. I guess people got excited on this X wave, either selling, exit liquidity. It looks like more selling. And then, yeah, lots of selling here. Some buying, some buying pressure you can see. And coming down, so that's going to continue to go on. This is going to be a tough coin to get a target on, guys. So I'll just let you know. Let's see some fib levels here. It's a 3rd wave. Where's the fib retracement going off this 3rd wave? Popped up. Look at that. 382. Not bad, huh? Be a 786 off of log, on log scale. So yeah, that's the area I would be suspecting, this area that this coin could go, just based off the other markets. You know, this is July area. I'd say maybe it could extend out into that area. You know, this would be kind of the general area to be looking for this correction on this coin to be finishing up. It's going to be tough. It's going to be tough on this coin. I'll keep my eye on it as things progress. And just to see, there's going to be some bounces in there. You'll see. Be some bounces in there where you can either do a long play, which is dangerous in a bear cycle, and then it's going to bounce down into those areas. So that's what it's kind of like the estimate I see with this coin. So you know, just gotta finish up the correction that's doing. I think it's a big gigantic WXY wave. It's kind of like Bitcoin. They're making this three-wave move, and then it's just another three-wave move to go down and complete, and then start another move. Let's see here. Off of this wave, let's say correction ends right there. You know, it's easily going to break that high, and then you know, depending, go up to somewhere in that area from 9 cents up to as high as 36 cents. Looking at, let's just say it's at 0.009, you know, as low as 11 cents and as high as what is that? Let's see here. If the correction's done right there, you know, a serious move. That could be a serious move. 4,200%. What would that be? 42x in this area. This is just a general going over it real quick, guys. It's nothing nothing perfect. I'll have to just dig a little bit deeper. I'm doing this recording this right now, just get a general idea of what's going on with this coin. But you know, my guess, and not investigating it, is that this whole correction is going to be kind of equal with this correction and this third wave. I think a lot of people on their Elliott waves would call this a fifth wave, and it can't be. It can't be a fifth wave, just because there's 1, 2, you know, 3, 4, 5, and then a correction, and it's only 1, 2, 2. It's an ABC. It's a corrective move up. It's a corrective move up right there. So, all right, that's why I see this area. These would be the general areas I'd be looking for this coin, and then it will be making a fifth wave move up, you know, for a pretty good move up. Where that will end, here's July, August possibly, and if not, it'll just be extending out. So what I would think with a coin like this, when it comes to its bottom and finds it, will probably be generally in this area. It looks like it'll make like a nice type flat move. So you have your Y, like WXY, like kind of like a flat move. It will probably be that general area right above this move right here, and be over there and make like a nice flat move and then up. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.